Dear brothers and sisters, in the first reading, St. Paul is surprised that this is a perfect God loving his imperfect creation. And the imperfect creation, imperfect man, woman, do not love God. He can't understand, he says, cannot understand God. God is everything. Truth, love, beauty, faith, compassion, forgiveness. We cannot give him something, we cannot lend to him something because he is everything. He is our creator. In him we exist. And the gospel reading, Jesus reminds us it's easy to give parties and go to eat food and have good things, knowing that you will get it back. So it's easy to have parties with friends who will invite you. There's no friendship there. There's no love, charity. It's just mere calculation. I give you this, you give me back. Whereas he said, reach out to the needy, the poor. Make those people happy with those who don't even have the necessities. And your reward will be eternal life, heaven. So you have both rewards there. The first, when you give parties, enjoy yourself, it's an immediate pleasure, reward of immediate pleasure. Whereas when you give to others who in need, who sees you as their benefactor, you get the joy of eternal life. Of course, you are not sure about it, the reward you get in heaven, and so your anxiety to enjoy life here on earth without reason, without love, without mercy. A businessman made an appointment with a principal of a school, a Catholic school. And the businessman told the principal that he wanted to express his gratitude to the management, to the school, for giving good education to his sons. And so he said, I'd like to establish an annual scholarship for some needy student. And the principal was delighted and he said, would you give us the honor of letting the scholarship bear your name? And then the businessman replied, give the scholarship any name you wish but my name. Don't give my name. I like the source of scholarship to remain anonymous. So today's reading invites us to ask ourselves, when we give of our time, talent, money, how interested are we in being given public thanks or recognition? Today's reading invites us to pray, Lord, protect us against doing the right thing for the wrong motive. So as I said, the reward is greater in heaven when you reach out to God's people, the needy, the poor, and you yourself get the joy of giving so much because you will return hundredfold from God.